Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw your BNB from Binance to bank account. It's quite easy to do this, but you're going to need an account to proceed. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. You do this and you're dropped at the overview. Now, once at the overview, simply scroll over to your spot wallet to have a look at your BNB or your funding wallet, depending on where your cryptocurrency is stored. Now, in order to withdraw your BNB, head over to the home, select the convert option, which is just here. Once you've selected the convert, we're going to be converting our BNB into some USDT. So click on the USDT here and click on the amount of BNB you wish to convert. Click on preview conversion and click on the convert again. So guys, once you've done this, simply head back home, head over to the P2P section, which is just here. But before you do that, head over to the wallets, and at the spot wallet, click on where we have the transfer and simply transfer your tokens, that's the USDT, from your spot wallet to your funding. We're doing this so we can be able to trade this USDT. So once you've done this, simply scroll over to the funding and select the P2P that's just here. Once you've selected P2P, the toggle or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on it. And once you've done this, click on the payment method and simply click add a payment method. And you can do this based on your region. So all these banks are based on your region. So once you've added your payment method, click on the home option where we have the sell icon, which is just here. Click on sell and select any of the merchants who are selling the amount you wish or you're looking for. Click on the sell option, buy their names, and enter the amount you wish to sell. So let's say 3,000 USDT, add the payment method by clicking on add payment method and simply click on sell with 0 fees. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.